The most interesting facts about the human mog. World Encyclopedia. It has not yet been possible to determine the exact amount of information that the human brain is able to absorb and remember, but this is about 5 times more than is contained in the Encyclopedia Britannica, in its 32,640 pages. It is assumed that this volume varies between 3 to 1,000 terabytes. Male and female brain. The average brain of a man is 10% larger than a woman's, but the woman's has more nerve cells, so it's faster. Nerve cells are restored. Contrary to popular belief, in fact, neurons grow throughout life, and nerve tissue is still able to regenerate, although it does this differently than the rest of the tissues of the body. The discovery of this fact was a colossal breakthrough in research on the functioning of the brain. The brain does not feel pain. There are no pain receptors in the brain, so it does not feel anything on its own. Pain impulses are responsible for this sensation, which are rapidly transmitted from the source of damage. Why is there a headache in this case? Because the brain is surrounded by many other tissues, vessels, and nerves. The mass of the brain is changing. Over time, the brain evolves along with humanity. In 1860, the average recorded mass of the male brain was 1,370 grams, and now it is 1,425. By old age, the mass decreases slightly. For comparison, the brain of the huge Diplodocus was the size of a walnut and weighed about 70 grams. Recorded weight records are 2049 grams for the male and 1565 grams for the female brain. The size of the brain increases, like muscles, if it is trained. But whether there is a relationship with intelligence is not exactly known until now. The brain breathes. The mass of the brain is only 2% of the mass of the human body. But it is he who consumes 1/5 of all the oxygen that circulates in the blood. In percentage terms, this is more than any other organ needs. Because of this, the brain reacts most acutely to a lack of oxygen. The brain is 80% water. Although visually the human brain resembles a walnut, it is not a solid, but a jelly-like mass, which is 80% water and blood. That is why regular consumption of clean water is necessary, first of all, for the brain. In addition, the brain is the fattest human organ. Therefore, malnutrition adversely affects its activity and intellectual development of a person. The brain does not sleep. At night, while a person is sleeping, the brain continues to be active and processes all the information received during the day. Moreover, the level of this activity is higher than during the day, when everyone goes about their own business, work, life. Daytime sleep helps to concentrate on work.